Food, I love you the best. Food, you put me to rest. Food, you make me so strong. Good food will make you live long. I wish good food to all of my friends. I wish them the time to lend, to help a child in need, to plant the seed that will one day grow into food, to give that wonderful mood, to take on the day in a way that is beautiful.